A lot of candidates were having issues to find our channel, so search for Naukri Low. When you will search for Naukri Low, here YouTube will ask you that searching result for the Naukri login and search instead for Naukri Low. So you have to click on the search instead for Naukri Low. Click here, and the first channel what you will get here is the Naukri Low. Yeah, your channel will be on the first when you will search for the Naukri Low. Okay, so you have to subscribe to this channel and you will get the all contents of our channel. Okay, so let's start this video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Naukri Low. This is Devashish Kumar, your host for this channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing video of Infosys laptop. So this video has been sent to us by our subscriber, and you can also send your videos, and if we will approve and that video will be eligible, then we will show that video in our YouTube channel. So this video is sent by one of the Infosys candidate who recently got the laptop. So let's see this video. And if you are working in Infosys, or if you are planning to join, or if you got a call later from Infosys, then you will definitely get a laptop like this. So keep watching this video, subscribe to this channel, because this channel is a family. Okay, this is your family, so subscribe this channel and press that bell icon and like this video and subscribe obviously. And yeah, you can write in the comment below if you have any doubt or queries. Okay, so let's start this video. So let me tell the configuration of this laptop. This laptop have i5 processor of 11th generation. Yeah, it is a new generation processor. I know that recently 12th generation laptop processors has been released, but 11th generation is also very powerful. So this laptop contains the 11th generation of i5 processor, and this laptop have the 16 GB of RAM. So for the manufacturer product, the laptop was having 8 GB of RAM, and the Infosys extended the RAM, and now it is 16 GB of RAM. Okay, so we have the 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and we also have the NVMe SSD. Okay, so SSD NVMe SSD of 512 GB. 512 GB of NVMe SSD is also here. So yeah, we can say that it is a very good configuration, and it also have 65-watt charger. Okay, 65-watt charger it has, so it will charge the laptop in around 1.5 hours, and the battery backup of this laptop lasts around 7 to 8 hours in moderate use. Okay, so this is the Infosys laptop. You cannot play any game or anything. So yeah, that is a good battery backup for any laptop for official work. Okay, and yeah, this is a good laptop, as we all can see, and we have not got any of the mouse or pad. Previously everyone in the Infosys got the mouse and pad with itself, but recently I think Infosys is saving it the money or what, or maybe they were not having the bag or the mouse, so they haven't sent it. So not an issue. I already have a mouse, and I do not have any laptop bag right now, because my old bag is yeah, it is gone, torn. Yeah, so I will need to purchase a laptop bag when I have to go to the office. So no issue. Okay, so that is it, guys. So we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe to this channel and see you next video. Bye.